Okay, so here's everything. Water, sparkling and still, fresh berries from the farmer's market, finger sandwiches, cheesecake, and of course, you can't have a picnic without a charcuterie board.
Wow, you did a great job. I always thought it was pronounced charcuterie board.
That's sweet. Sorry, I kind of went all out. What did you bring? Wait, I'll close my eyes. It'll be a surprise.
Okay, open.
Wow, it's, this dip looks delicious.
Yeah, it's great. My mom always gets it.
Yeah, that is good. Is that like cilantro or something?
Not sure. So, is this your first picnic?
I'm offended that you think this is the work of an amateur. Do you see the salami rows on the charcuterie board?
Oh, okay. So you're some sort of picnic connoisseur.
I'd say that sums it up pretty well. Isaac, I really like this dip.
I know, right? It's great. I always eat way too much of it.
Yeah, I don't know. I just really like it. It's great to have around, and it makes me happy.
Yeah, the flavor's just great. My mom really knows her way around a dip. Lily, here's the thing. Well, I don't really know how to put it.
Just put it.
Well, it's kind of like, well, see these strawberries?
Yes, I see the strawberries.
I thought they were nice and tasted sweet and were cute.
Okay.
But then I always had my eye on blueberries, even though I felt for so long that I should like strawberries.
Oh. Well, maybe you should have just told Strawberries you didn't like her to begin with, and you liked Blueberries because she's just so great with her long hair and her perfect ass and whatever. I don't even care.
Lily, no, that's not what I'm saying.
You're an ass.
You're a strawberry, and I'm a blueberry. One is known to be blue, and the other a pinkish red.
Berries and their colors? Isaac, what the hell are you talking about?
I recently told my sister that I think I only like blueberries. But she said, I should try both to know for sure, and now I know. I mean, I guess I've always known that ever since I was young, late at night, I would search on my computer only videos of, well, blueberries. Wow, it really is something, you know what I mean? I've really enjoyed this picnic, though.
Well, if I like blueberries and you like blueberries.
Yes?
Maybe we could go find our blueberries together. There's a club downtown I heard about with other blueberries.
Yes, thank you. I'd really like that.
Okay, so do we actually eat some now?
Well, to be honest, they're a little bit acidic for me. I didn't want to ruin the metaphor.
Oh my God. Okay, let's just go then. Before these ants unleash hell and fury onto us.
Good thinking. Sorry again.
No, don't be sorry.
Well, up you go.
My dad doesn't think blueberries should get married.
What?
What? Nothing. Do you want to go look at the ducks before we leave?
Of course. Do you think they'll like some of this cheese?
Oh, maybe not that one. It was just a little, very expensive.
You really did want to impress me, huh?
No, I didn't. let's just not talk about it and go see the ducks.
To the ducks we go.